Missed deliveries, inaccurate orders, and delays can harm customer trust and your bottom line. But what if every step from order to delivery could be optimized and accurate? Meet Tranxact.AI's order-to-delivery process, a cutting-edge solution that streamlines every stage, ensuring your products reach your customers on time, every time. It starts with order entry accuracy. Our AI-powered system automates data entry, eliminating manual errors and improving order accuracy. From the moment an order is placed, Tranxact.AI ensures it's captured correctly and ready for fulfillment. Next is inventory accuracy. Using RFID, IoT, and predictive analytics, Tranxact.AI identifies potential shipping delays and suggests proactive adjustments to meet deadlines. This keeps your operations one step ahead, ensuring your inventory is always in sync with your delivery plans. Finally, delivery success ensures your products arrive on time. Our AI analyzes traffic, weather, and other factors to optimize delivery routes and timings. With smarter routing, you'll see higher successful delivery rates and happier customers. From order placement to successful delivery, Tranxact.AI's order-to-delivery process ensures precision, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Fewer errors. Proactive adjustments. Reliable deliveries. Tranxact.AI helps you build trust, reduce costs, and drive excellence across your operations. Transform your order-to-delivery process with Tranxact.AI today. Let's deliver success together.